Starting around 11 November 2023, Jasmy coin soared of is exchanging at $0.006 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.45% in absolute most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy basically has an extremely all-out market cap of $275,976,254, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $171,345,789, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. This really makes Jasmy essentially positioning at 137 in the digital money market, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Jasmy coin cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Jasmy coin basically be really worth in 2023 in a by and large significant manner? Is Jasmy coin a kind of wise venture or in every practical sense worth purchasing in 2023, which really is genuinely critical? Will Jasmy cost especially outperform its unsurpassed high in every way that really matters in opposition to mainstream thinking? These really are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future. Extremely further appearance how starting around 11 November 2023 Jasmy coin in a real sense is exchanging at $0.006 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.45% in for the most part most recent 1 hour in a genuinely significant manner. Jasmy value expectation 2023. As per the Jasmy coin conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost truly is supposed to in a real sense cross a very normal value level of $0.005, the normal especially least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the truly current year ought to especially be $0.004, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides, Jasmy can generally arrive at a very greatest value level of $0.005, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Jasmy value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. While the especially normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.004, or so they generally thought. Jasmy value estimate September 2023. The Jasmy coin gauge for September 2023 expects that the Jasmy may arrive at a very greatest worth of $0.004, with a kind of least cost of around $0.004 in and in every practical sense, enormous way. Discussing the especially normal value, Jasmy can essentially stretch around $0.004 for September, genuinely further appearance how besides Jasmy can fundamentally arrive at a very most extreme value level of $0.005 in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the truly most extreme cost for Jasmy coin could in a real sense stretch around $0.005, exhibiting how this especially makes Jasmy essentially positioning at 137 in the cryptographic money market in a sort of large manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Jasmy in October 2023 explicitly is $0.004, with a really normal cost of $0.004, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Jasmy value conjecture November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Jasmy coin certainly is supposed to for the most part arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.004, truly further appearance how Jasmy value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004, which by and large is genuinely huge. The Jasmy cost could truly arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $0.005, with the kind of typical cost around $0.004 in a by and large significant manner. Jasmy coin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin most certainly is truly anticipated to sort of reach at a truly least worth of $0.004 in December 2023, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. The Jasmy cost could sort of arrive at in every practical sense most extreme worth of $0.005 with the in every way that really matters normal exchanging worth of $0.005 all through 2023 in an especially significant manner. Jasmy coin especially passed value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto sort of has been explicitly diminished by 0.56% in its kind of current worth, or so they truly thought. Assuming we basically think about the in every practical sense current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap generally is likewise down, which especially is genuinely critical. From genuinely most recent 7 days the Jasmy for the most part was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 41.39%, or so they truly thought. Jasmy coin essentially has shown extremely kind of solid especially potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to fundamentally dive right in and contribute, which in every practical sense shows that Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023, as per the Jasmy coin gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Jasmy cost truly is supposed to essentially cross a by and large normal value level of $0.005, the normal truly least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to for the most part be $0.004 in an unpretentious manner. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy for the most part diminished by 18.285%, dispensing with an incredible in every practical sense normal amount of $0.001 from its really current worth, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a great purchase and open door for by and large speedy venture, showing how assuming you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Jasmy coin generally be worth in 2023? Which fundamentally is very huge. The 90 days cost change basically is around 6.48%. And the cost in every practical sense circled from an essentially least genuinely normal cost of $0.005 to in every way that really matters, greatest exceptionally normal cost of $0.005 in the by and large beyond 90 days. Fundamentally further appearance how for the most part is Jasmy coin an especially wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023, which for the most part is very critical. In especially most recent 4 months Jasmy coin basically has shown a developing pattern, exhibiting how Jasmy value gauge September 2023. The Jasmy coin estimate for September 2023 expects that the Jasmy may generally arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.004, with an extremely least cost of around $0.004, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Subsequently, we in every practical sense believe that comparative pieces of the market for the most part were very famous at that period, which especially shows that Jasmy certainly has a by and large all-out market cap of $200